Hey YouTube family, welcome back to the channel once again. So today we are unboxing a very useful accessory kit for action camera users. So this is known as Neewer 50-in-1 for GoPro and other action camera users. Let's start with the unboxing. The box is pretty good. The quality is sturdy, nice, well built. And these are the accessories we get. So let's start with the list one by one. So let me tell you, this is not a product review. This is just about what all comes in the box. I have ordered this from Amazon for 2500 rupees something 2 days back. So let's start with it. First we have this carrying case, as you can see over here, carrying case, which is the whole box. Second is the chest strap, which I won't be able to show you since I'm using this on myself with a GoPro. Third, head strap. So this is the head strap. The quality is nice, the fabric is good. I mean, such a lesser price, the material is very good, with a mount. Okay, this is the first product. I mean the third one practically. Fourth is wrist strap. So this is the wrist strap. You can mount your GoPro on this over here while riding a bicycle or a motorcycle. So this is the fourth one. The fifth item we have here is floating handle grip. This is the floating handle grip, which comes with this tie. This is useful in water, swimming pool or diving. The sixth item is suction cup. Okay, I'll show that later on because right now I have been using this suction cup somewhere. The sixth item is clamp. This is the clamp, again with a mount fitted on it. This is usually used for backpacks. The next item is selfie stick. See over here, the selfie stick. This is the selfie stick. We have the screw to make the movement. Let me check the length of the selfie stick. So it's bigger than my hands, so it's a long selfie stick, but not a very good quality one. Lightweight. It might bend if you hit it somewhere, but usable. The next item is mini tripod. Okay, let me get it. This is the mini tripod. It's like a Joby tripod. Quality is okay. I mean, not that great quality in this price range, but decent. Now we have this wrist strap for remote. This is the one. This is particularly velcro. Now the next one is bicycle handlebar holder mount. So this is like a clamp which you fix on your handlebars and then you mount a GoPro on it. Quality is a bit plasticky, mixture of plastic and metal. Okay, so let's keep this aside. The next item is adjustable pivot arm part 1. This one. Let's see. So this is the adjustable pivot arm part 1. This is how it looks. I'm pretty sure not everyone is going to use this all stuff in the box. The next item is pivot arm 2 part 2. This is the one, first and second, used with a thumb screw. These two items. The next item is screw, the short one. So there are sizes in this, small and big. This is the short one. Here goes the screw, short one. And this is screw multiplied by 3, so 3 quantity, the long screw, thumb screw, 1, 2 and 3. This is 3 screws. Now we have this J hook. Here it is, J hook from motorcycle chin mount. The other one is curved mount, 3 quantities. So this is the curved mount. One, 2 and 3. The next one we have here is helmet strap. So I think this is the one. Okay, this is the helmet strap. The next one is helmet extension arm. Okay, so this one is used for POV shots on your helmet. It's a extended arm. No metal, only plastic, but strong plastic. The next item is wrench. I don't know the use of it, but let's see how does it look. It seems like a bottle opener. Okay. Now the mount is flat mount. Flat mount. Okay, so flat mount is this one, which is fixed on the tripod. This is the flat mount. It's like a thread lock. And we have this anti-fog shades, 12 pieces. So these are the ones. I'm not going to use this or remove this from the packaging itself. The next item is adhesive pads. So I've already used 4 to 5 pads recently, so these are the ones. So this is how you use it. You can stick this pads on the mount and you can tape it anywhere using a heat gun or maybe a lighter. Okay, so adhesive pads again. This is with a thread, okay, sticker. This is again with a thread. I don't know the exact use of it, but let's see. Again we have this adhesive pads, 3 quantity, 3, 2, 5, 6, all we have over here. The other item is strap buckle, 3 quantities, 1, 2 and 3. These are the ones, 1, 2 and 3. And then strap buckle 2 quantity, 1 and 1 I'm already using it on GoPro, and the last item in from the camera. So that's it guys, this is pretty much all what you get in this box. I have received all the items, not a single one is missing, and my impression is that the product is good according to the budget. Because if you go for a normal accessory, just assume you're going for this mounts on your GoPro website, it will cost you more than the whole package, just a single mount or 2. So it's better, if you're a beginner, you should go for a cheap accessory kit. And this is, I feel, useful and worthy. So that's it guys, thank you for watching once again. I hope you like this video. If you like it, if you found it useful, please do like and subscribe, and also comment me below if you want to know any details about it, about the products which I have. And all these products are mostly for my motor vlog, which I'm gonna use it sooner. Thank you. See ya. Bye bye.